Yes. What's going on, guys? This has been aka Day Trading Addict, and I have another good video for you guys. Today, I'm going to show you how to trade reversal patterns like a boss. Trust me, you're going to love this video. And I'm going to give you guys these reversal patterns so you can make more money in the markets. So let's go. Okay, so the first reversal pattern we are going to talk about is called a triple top or a triple bottom. Okay, now I briefly talked about this in my last video, but I'm going to show you guys some more examples. And most of you guys are used to double bottoms and double tops. So when you see the market, do a double bottom, most of you guys are used to that. But what if you get an extra confirmation? And this is a stronger pattern right here because it's giving you 3 reasons why to get in, right? So let me show you guys an example right quick. Okay, so here is an example right here. We have a nice uptrend, okay? And we have the market basically pulling back and giving us 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so this is a triple bottom. Okay, now if you zoom in real quick, notice how when they gave us this triple bottom, guys, we have this nice bullish bar right here. So this even more confirmation, right? So we can go long right here and we can look for our profits because now we know that it's a strong possibility this market wants to go up because it tried to go down 3 times. 3 times, guys. So if it can't go down 3 times and it show you this nice bullish bar, that tells me automatically, wow, this is a high quality trade. I want to take this trade, right? And I want to be a buyer so I can enjoy my profits, right? So let me show you guys another example. Okay, guys, so here is another example right here. What we have is resistance right here, okay? And we have the market going to resistance right here. And then we have the market trying to go up 3 times and it can't. And it's a strong possibility that buyers do not want to push up this market. Okay, so what we have 1, 2, and 3, right? And also we have this nice bearish bar right here. Okay, so if I see this, I say, okay, let me go short right here. Let me put my stop loss right here. Okay, and let me look for my profits. Okay, so that's another example of a high quality reversal pattern. We're looking for that 1, 2, 3. It's trying, guys, 3 times, but it can't go up. So let me show you guys another example. Okay, so here is another example right here. Now, before I talk about this example, guys, please watch out for these fake accounts that's trying to act like me. We have a fake Instagram account, a fake YouTube account, and a fake Telegram account, okay? Please, all my real information is always below my YouTube videos, okay? So make sure you check out those links first before you look at any links. And I will never try to contact you first. And I will never give you guys a WhatsApp number, okay? So let's go back to this example right here. Now, this is a triple top, a little bit more advanced because it's not horizontal. It's more slanted up. But, okay, when you see this, they do work, especially if we are at support or resistance. So right here, we have resistance right here. Okay, and we have 1, 2, 3. Now, the key to this, guys, is when it breaks the high, it can't go up that much. So notice how it broke the high. It just went up a little bit. And notice how this right here, let me erase this so you guys can see. This created a new high right here, but it's a little bit, right? Guys, that's telling us that the market is so weak right now. When it creates a new high, it can't even go up that much, right? So we have 1, 2, 3 right at that nice resistance level. And also we have this nice bearish bar right here. Okay, I want to sell this market. This is a high quality trade because I have multiple reasons to get in the market, right? So we got in, we look for our profits, and that's it. All right, so this is another way you can trade the triple top or triple bottoms. So let's go to the next reversal pattern you guys can use. So let's go. Okay, so the next reversal pattern we are going to talk about is called a 1, 2, 3 reversal pattern. Okay, so let me explain this pattern. Okay, if the market's going up, we're looking for the market to drop. We're looking for the market to go back up and create a lower high. And then we're looking for the market to break the low right here, which is number 2. So we have a 1, we have a 2, and a 3. Okay, so when it breaks the 2 spot right here, number 2, it's a strong possibility that the market will reverse because when we tried to go up, the market couldn't go up. Okay, it's so weak. So if it breaks this low right here, it's a strong possibility that it probably will continue to go lower, right? So If you guys are still, having problems understanding this 1, 2, 3, just look at this as a lowercase h. Okay, so if you look at a lowercase h, it looks just like an H. So if you have an H pattern right here, if it breaks that low, okay, there's a strong possibility the market could continue to go down lower. Now, how are we going to trade this? We are going to go over that right now. So let's go. Now, the best way, especially if you are a beginner, is probably wait for the market to break, okay, number 2, okay, because it gives you that confirmation. The reason why it's good for beginners is because once it breaks number 2, that's giving us a lot of confirmation that this market is weak and it can't go up. Most likely it's going to continue to go down. So if it breaks that low, how do we want to get in? So we can get in right here as soon as it breaks that low, and we can actually put our stop loss either above the next available swing high right here, or you can put it above this swing high. It's up to you. So if you want your stop loss to be smaller, you can put it right here, and then you can look for your profits. Or if you want a little bit more wiggle room, you can put it above that 3 and look for your profits, right? Now, the next way you can get in, okay, is you can cheat, right? You can cheat and you get in before it actually breaks the number 2. So the best way to do that is to look to the left to see if you have any type of resistance going on. So if you see any type of resistance to the left, okay, you can use that resistance. So I do see resistance right here and right here, okay? Okay, so you can tell we have resistance right here, and also we have resistance right here. So if it comes back to this resistance right here, right, and it shows some type of sign that the market doesn't want to go up, we can get in, we can cheat. We can say, you know what, this looks like a good sell right here. I see a nice bearish bar right here. Let me put my stop above this resistance line. So I'm going to go short right here. Nice bearish bar right here. Let me put my stop loss above here. Now, the good thing about this is when you're cheating on your 1, 2, 3, you can actually get a good risk to reward because now you're getting in early, right? So we have a nice, okay, break to the downside, and we get, all this reward right here. And we get this nice reward because now, we got in early, okay, and we broke that number 2, and we're looking for profits to the downside. Okay, so that's another way to get in if you want to. And the third way to get in, guys, is if it breaks number 2, pulls back to number 2, and it gives you some type of setup, you can get in and ride that baby to the downside. Okay, so let me show you guys some more examples. Okay, so here is another example, okay, of the 1, 2, 3 pattern. We have the market basically selling off, okay, breaking this low and continue to go back down. Okay, remember, it looks like a lowercase h. Okay, so we have a lowercase h right here. Okay, all right, so again, you can get in as soon as it breaks that number 2 right here. Okay, and basically you can put your stop loss above that swing high and you look for your profits. So that's one way to get in. And the next way you can get in, guys, you can actually cheat on your 1, 2, 3, and we can look for resistance. And I actually put the line up for you guys. So we have resistance right here, resistance right here, resistance right here. So it came to the resistance, showed this nice bearish bar. You can get in right here. So you can cheat, we get in early and basically look for our profits. Or we can basically wait for it to break, come back to that breakout level, okay? And then we can look for that short to go down and you look for your profits, right? So let me show you guys another example. Okay, guys, so here is another example of the 1, 2, 3 pattern. We have the market going down. Now this is a bullish one right here. So we're looking for the market to go up, okay? So notice how it went up pretty good. Broke these highs right here. Now it's pulling back and it's trying to create another low, right? A new low, and it can't. So that's telling us that the market is very, very weak, right? So if it breaks this high right here, that means that the market probably wants to continue to go up because we can't make a new low. So if it breaks this high right here, right, it's a strong possibility the market wants to continue to go back up. So that's when you can actually get in. You can put your stop loss, okay, below this right here, low right here. Look for your profits and, enjoy your profits. Now, another way you can get in. Okay, so you can either buy right here when it comes back to number 2, or sometimes it goes below number 2 and you can buy, okay, somewhere around number 3. So if number 3 has a trend line like this, you could buy around that trend line. Or if you see a nice demand level, which we do see right here, okay, you can buy right here, okay. And if you don't know what demand or supply is, basically I have a lot of videos on that. Now, let's say that you got in right here. This looks like a nice either break even or a small loss on this one because you'll probably put your stop loss below that candle. So that's nothing. So that small loss doesn't matter because the next trade is going to give us a bigger reward. Now, if it came back to this right here, you definitely can get in right here and you look for your profits to the upside. Okay. So that's another way to get in. Now, the third way to get in, guys, is you can cheat on your 1, 2, 3. Okay. So we have a nice 1, 2, 3 right here. And we're looking to get in, okay, at this 3 level right here. So we had to look for some type of support to the left. Do we have one? Yes. We have support right here, support right here, support right here. So let me mark that down. Okay. Nice support right here, guys. So notice how we came back, okay, to this level right here. Guys, I love this right here because it's telling us that the market is so weak, it can't go below this support. So this looks like a triple bottom, believe it or not. Now, we have this nice bullish bar right here, okay? And we can say, all right, I want to get in right here, okay? And I put my stop loss below this support right here. And I'm looking for this big reward, guys, right? And when you learn how to do things like this, you get these nice big rewards because now you know how to cheat on your 1, 2, 3s because you're looking for that support and then you're looking for confirmation to get in. And then you can get in and you're looking for the big rewards. All right, so I gave you guys these reversal patterns so you can trade like a boss and make more money from these markets, all right? So if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and also join my free Telegram group, okay? I post some of my charts there, and I also post exclusive discounts for my trading program, okay? And if you want to learn how to do this and you want deeper training, you can check out my training program below, and that trading program will help you take your trading to the next level. Guys and girls, if you have any questions, comment below. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and please have a great day.